Welcome to the channel. Today we will analyze lessons learned and common mistakes in the implementation of artificial intelligence, AI, and digital twins. While these technologies offer huge benefits in efficiency and optimization, many companies make mistakes that slow down or even frustrate their projects. The image illustrates how continuous learning, data quality, and collaboration are key factors for a successful implementation. If you want to avoid costly mistakes and maximize the impact of AI in your company, this video is for you. AI implementation must be aligned with the company's strategic objectives. For example, General Electric (GE) aligned its digital twins initiative with its cost reduction and operational optimization strategy, achieving a clear return on investment. The lesson learned was that defining a clear strategy and communicating it to all levels of the organization facilitates the adoption of these technologies. AI models require constant adjustments to maintain their accuracy. For example, Amazon periodically adjusts its recommendation models to adapt to new buying trends. The lesson learned was that continuous improvement is essential to maintain the relevance and accuracy of the algorithms. Involving end users in the design and fine-tuning of solutions facilitates adoption. For example, Siemens involved plant engineers and developers to create accurate and useful digital twins in turbine management. The lesson learned was that co-creation of solutions ensures that tools are aligned with operational needs. Some common mistakes to avoid are underestimating data quality. Data quality is critical to the success of AI models. For example, a financial services company faced problems in their fraud detection system due to inconsistent data. The biggest mistake was not investing in data cleansing and management can lead to inaccurate results and lack of confidence in the technologies implemented. Lack of communication and transparency. Failure to clearly communicate the goals of the technology can lead to resistance to change. For example, one hospital that implemented an automated medical image analysis system faced resistance from staff due to lack of initial communication. The mistake was not involving employees as it increases resistance and hinders technology integration. Excessive focus on technology instead of operational problems. Implementing technology without a clear focus on the problems it is intended to solve. For example, one retail company implemented an AI system to manage inventory, but failed to clearly define its objectives, resulting in a system that was more costly to operate than the benefits gained. The mistake was not aligning the technology with specific operational challenges can lead to unsustainable projects. Strategies to avoid mistakes and maximize success can be: develop a continuous improvement plan. Establish periodic reviews and adjustments based on user feedback. For example, a bank reviews its chatbot quarterly to improve conversation flows. Train employees. Training is key to ensure that employees can work effectively with the new tools. For example, Unilever accompanied the implementation of digital twins with training programs for employees to interpret the data generated. Lessons learned and common mistakes in implementing AI and digital twins highlight the importance of careful planning, transparent communication, and continuous improvement. Companies that integrate these practices are more likely to succeed. If you want to optimize the adoption of AI and digital twins in your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we'll design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.